Hi everyone, Sandy here, and I'm gonna do a quick haul video of these items I found at the thrift store. Let me start off with the cards first, and I'll show you those. They're just adorable. Look at that dress, and then look at the back of it. It's so pretty. And these haven't been signed, and there's a whole little story in here about Cinderella. In the envelope. And then there's a little Red Riding Hood one in the back. And then same thing inside. There's a story. And then here's a Cowboy Joe, which is adorable, in the back. There wasn't a year that I could find on here, so I'm not sure where these are from or when these are from. So if y'all have any idea, let me know. And then Mary Had a Little Lamb. So my granddaughter's name is Mary. So this one, definitely going to have to keep. So cute. And then there's a little Billy the Mountie. Same thing, little story about Billy the Mountie. And then the back. And there were actually two of those. So those are the cards. And then I don't think these are vintage or anything, but I just thought these images were so cute. And I thought they would look really cute in junk journals. And here's just a cheerful hello, a thank you, thinking of you, happy birthday, and another happy birthday. Those are the cards. And then this is a Saturday Evening Post. It's from 1936. But I think it's a reproduction. But I'm not 100% sure. It might really be from 1936. Anyway, I'm going to have to research it. But the envelope has a lot of age on it, which I thought was really be fun for junk journals. And then that's just a pretty little picture of those little kids. Next up, I have some vintage laces. Can you see that okay? And trim. And then here's just a yellow, simple little yellow trim. But this yellow, oops, sorry about that. This yellow is just so cheery. And then here is a off-white lace, vintage lace. And here is a white lace. And I love the old spools that this vendor had put these on. And then also with those cards were a ton of stamps, 4 and 5 cent stamps. So I'm excited about going through those and adding those. Here's a Christmas one. This one I think is really pretty with the Blue Jays. Salvation Army. So again, it's neat to have these 5 cent stamps. Those will be fun. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is just a different selection of handkerchiefs and doilies. Some have just some pretty trim on them. Some have some embroidery. But this is a cream colored with this really pretty green. And another pretty hanky with this embroidery, pink and white. And then another just a real pretty little doily. A nice cream colored, beige colored doily. And then here's a doily with some embroidery on it. Pretty pink. And then some yellow trim and green little leaf accents. So it's pretty big. So I'm not sure how I want to incorporate that into any of my junk journals, but I think I'll have fun with that. And here's another one. I love this with the teapot and these flowers, these pink and lavender and yellow, and then this baby blue. I just think it's so pretty. You know, it's not in perfect condition, but I still thought it was really pretty. I think this was, I don't know, maybe $1.50, so I didn't think that was too bad. And another one with some embroidery. Pretty little basket with a bunch of pink little flowers and blue, and you'll see that. And I guess this is considered a doily, not a hanky. And this one's just stunning. Look at that. So pretty. And I love the trim around the edges. There's another shot of it. See that okay? And then just a simple little round doily with some yellow flowers. Love, love, love the yellow flowers. And the last one, I love the little fruit. The apple, and I'm thinking a pear and some grapes. And then the green trim. And I like the white, and it's in really good condition. So anyway, oh, no, one more thing. And then I picked up these little buttons, and these are going to go with my green junk journal that I'm working on right now. I just thought they were really pretty. All right, so that's all of my haul. Thank you for watching. And if you would like to see more videos on junk journals and how I use the Cricut to make supplies for my junk journals and also just to make projects around the house, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And please like this video and let me know what were some of your favorite things from my haul. Have a great day. Talk to you next time.